Hi, in this video on my second walking robot using the TXT discovery controller. I found out last time that the motors do work using Python, but I have to use sound for some reason. So again, using my tablet, compared to last time with which is the 5 minutes video version, episode 2, compared to that I reduced the distance and I reduced the speed. So let's see what happens. And then I say run Python, and I have to lift it a little bit because otherwise it runs over the table. So for some reason I still have to use that sound. I most likely will change the code a bit, but without the sound for some reason it won't run. Well, the program will run, but the motors won't be activated. So I have to look into that. But another focus for now is to put more gears in it so that I can start putting legs on it. I already have an idea how to do that, but for that to be possible, more gears are necessary, both in that direction and in this direction, on both sides of course. So I'll start looking into that. So with some more gears connected and an attempt to get a leg movement as intended, I will try to move it here and back, should not be the problem. And with a fake leg, because this will never work in practice, I will see if this gets a little bit working. The other point is of course that I have to change the program. So what I did is reduce the distance to 50. Set speed here is same as it was, 125. Again 50, but here of course the inverse speed to get it running back. So let's see how this works out. And to my surprise, it does work, but no tunes is set. That is very peculiar. Let's see again. Okay. Let's release this one. So I pull it back, put it in here, and let's run it again, see what happens. I wonder what that means. I'm going to bring it to the editor. It runs 50. That could be it, that I don't do sync data. So let me edit that. Put it after the reverse speed. And see what happens then. Let's go again. Also odd. Okay, release this. It doesn't go as expected. So I have to edit again. Set distance 50. Motor distance set. Let me add the text to. Okay. Then set speed. Let me add that to 125. Then set, no, that's wrong. Another print for the let's see, so for set distance to 50 again, and then the set speed to minus 120, and in this way I know where I am in the program. Save and quit and run again. And now it is here, so the point is with 50 it should go this way, and with minus 50 it should, with 125 it should go this way, and the other way around should go that way. So let's see. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's wrong. Yes. Let's start over on this side. Once again. The question is, why doesn't it work as intended? Let's do it again, because it should, of course, go both ways. There may be another explanation. To make the set data sync, or the sync data in both ways. So First, the first cycle I end, and then very soon after I begin again, but I also have to make it sleep. So let's see how this works out. And right now it can go both ways, so no harm should be done. And it doesn't go vice versa, which is quite odd. So then we try again, put it here, try again. Okay, something still odd, it only moves one way, which is certainly not the intended way of working. So, although the algorithm looks fine, it clearly does not as expected. So I'll have to figure something else out. So let's see what happens then. With some small flaws in the code corrected, it should be okay now. And that is should, because this is again not intended. And that is, as always, yes, I see why. Live experimenting is always nice. It can be quite annoying as well. So another attempt. Let's set the gear again after checking the code again. And that is really too bad that things keep going wrong, or not as intended, which is basically the same. So let me put the gears once again in neutral stand, or kind of neutral. It works kind of so far. And of course it should have gone this way as well, but for some reason that does not happen. And everything looks okay now, so of course, just like last time, after ending the video I find the problem, but doing that each time is kind of tiring. Anyway, the intention is quite clear, having it back and forward, and then with the same construction here, here and here. But I should not go off cam, So here, here and here the same obstruction as I have here. That could be a nice walking idea. Whether it works out in the end remains to be seen, of course. But it is another step in the direction of a new kind of walking robot. For now, unfortunately, let me show the code so far. So this is moving in one way, asleep, and moving in the other direction. And so far only this part is working correctly and this part is not. Even the sound has stopped working. I'm happy about that, but then again it should be. So for now, thank you for watching in this experiment with one pseudo leg, new gears, extended program, and certainly to be continued, and hopefully with a correctly working program. Bye bye. And yes, as an addition to this idea, one added sleep instruction proves to be showing miracles, because I put the sleep between one direction and the other direction, and look what happens. And that is what is intended. So let me show again. That's one way. And that's unexpected. But that maybe is the cause for this. So putting it to neutral again. And that works kind of. So once again, thank you for watching, and to be continued.